Lesson number 4, Design Checker. Publisher comes with a tool called Design Checker, and that will review your document for any technical or design errors that might be present. It will not check for spelling or grammar, so if you need to check your spelling or grammar, make sure you're on the review ribbon and choose the spell check command. What Design Checker does is it looks at the big picture. To get to Design Checker, click on the File tab, which opens up Backstage Office. Make sure your info category is selected, and then look for the Run Design Checker button command. When you click on it, it opens up Design Checker. You can decide to run a general design check, a final publication check, email, website, what have you. So depending on why you're creating the publication, you might need to check all or just one of these options. When Publisher finds an error, it will list it under Select an Item to Fix. When you click on the drop-down arrow found next to the error, you have a choice to go to this item, which will highlight the object on the publication that's causing the error. You can click Fix, add alternate text in this case. The reason why I have this fix is because this was a template and it's wanting me to update the template's default text. I can also tell it to never run this check again if I want to just ignore that particular issue. This error says text is in a non-web ready font. This means that a lot of web browsers might not be able to read this font. So what Publisher is going to do is export it as an image, so that way it looks like a picture. It will behave like a picture instead of like text. Since I don't have a hyperlink or anything attached to this font, that's not going to really affect me, so I can choose to ignore that. If it did affect you, or if it affected your publication in a negative way, you would fix this by changing the font and possibly removing some of the stylistic sets that we added earlier. Once you're done going through the Design Checker list, you can click Close Design Checker to close it out. So again, to get to Design Checker, File, Info, Run Design Checker, and then go through the list to determine how you want to handle each potential error.